Welcome back to Jim's Car World. Stepping inside the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome feels less like entering a vehicle and more like crossing into an entirely different lifestyle. This isn't simply a way to travel from one destination to another. It's a bold declaration of luxury, innovation, and unapologetic excess. Every inch of this mobile masterpiece reflects the aggressive spirit and refined craftsmanship that Lamborghini is known for, transformed into a rolling sanctuary of comfort and power. The moment the door opens, you're greeted by an atmosphere of bespoke elegance. Premium materials surround you from every angle, creating an immediate sense of exclusivity. Soft, hand-stitched Italian leather wraps the seating, while the dashboard showcases sharp lines and precision detailing inspired by high-performance supercars. The subtle scent of fine leather fills the space, reinforcing the feeling that nothing here is mass-produced or ordinary. Panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, making the living area feel open, airy, and surprisingly expansive. Carefully selected materials, Alcantara accents, polished wood flooring, and brushed metal finishes work together to create a balance between warmth and modern sophistication. The layout is intelligently designed to maximize usable space without ever compromising on comfort or aesthetics, proving that luxury and practicality can coexist beautifully. Moving deeper inside, the gourmet kitchen stands out as a true highlight. Sleek, minimalist cabinetry hides state-of-the-art appliances that would feel right at home in a luxury apartment. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or a full dining experience, the setup makes cooking on the road feel effortless. Just beside it, a refined dining area with a handcrafted table and ergonomically designed seating invites both intimate dinners and lively conversations, all while the scenery outside becomes part of the experience. The bedroom area offers a calm retreat from the world beyond the windows. A plush king-size bed dressed in premium linens serves as the centerpiece, designed to deliver hotel-level comfort no matter where you're parked. Ambient lighting sets a soothing mood, while thoughtful soundproofing ensures deep, uninterrupted rest, even in busy environments. Every detail here is focused on relaxation and privacy. The bathroom elevates the experience even further. Finished with elegant stone countertops, premium fixtures, and a spacious shower enclosure, it rivals the standards of a five-star suite. Some configurations even include a compact soaking tub, turning everyday routines into moments of indulgence. From luxury towels to custom-selected amenities, nothing has been overlooked. Beyond the visual beauty, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a technological powerhouse. Integrated smart systems allow you to control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment through intuitive touchscreens or simple voice commands. The entertainment setup transforms the living area into a private cinema, complete with an immersive display and high-fidelity surround sound. What truly sets this motorhome apart is the level of personalization available. Owners can collaborate closely with the design team to select materials, finishes, color schemes, and layouts that reflect their individual taste. No two interiors are exactly alike, ensuring that each motorhome is as unique as its owner. In the end, the interior of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome redefines what a recreational vehicle can be. It blends cutting-edge technology, artisanal craftsmanship, and uncompromising luxury into one extraordinary space. This is not just travel. It's a refined way of life on wheels, where the thrill of the open road meets the comfort of a world-class home. Simply put, this is luxury without limits.